Hey guys, welcome to another quick tip video. I wanted to share a little adjustment or tweak I found in Photoshop that helps preserve the quality of your images once it's resized and uploaded to social media. Especially on Facebook, I noticed that some of my images look really bad or they look really pixelated, and the quality just loses its quality. That's because Facebook also compresses the images down a bit further. But since I started using this little adjustment, I found the images, especially on Facebook, look a lot better. So let me show you what I do, and hopefully it'll work for you as well. This is the image I'm going to use. So I'm going to go to File, Export, Export as. Now, many social media platforms allow either JPEG or PNG. I prefer to stick with PNG. I feel it holds a lot more information. Then the transparency option, I'm just going to remove it. It doesn't matter if it's there or not. Then I'm going to adjust the width. Now I'm going to use what's recommended by Facebook, which is 2048 for landscape images or 960 for portrait images. So I'm going to click out here somewhere just to see this adjustment happening, and the weight of the image also changes from 18 meg to 3.6 meg. Now this is where I feel the magic happens. I click on the drop down and I choose preserve details, and then I export this to and save it. I click on the export button to save it somewhere on my computer, and then it's ready to upload. That's simple as that. That's a little tweak I found. I really do hope it works for you. Give it a go and let us know how you went in the comments below. Thanks for watching.